Hi, I'm Jenny with the Family Handyman. Do you know anyone that likes to go down into a dank, wet basement to do laundry or get stuff out of storage? Probably not. I have some tips to help you take back your basement. First things first, you need to determine where the moisture is coming from. If you have bare walls like this, there's a really easy DIY fix. You just tape a piece of tinfoil to the wall with duct tape. Give it a few days, come back, and if you notice that condensation is forming on the outside of the tinfoil, you know that the moisture is coming from inside the house. And if you peel back the tinfoil and you notice that the condensation is forming on the wall side of the tinfoil, you know that the moisture is coming from outside the house and leaching through the walls. If you determine the moisture is coming from inside your house, we have a couple of quick fixes. One culprit could be your dryer. It produces a lot of humid air that could leak out of the ducts. So you're going to want to go over your whole dryer duct, check all the joints, check the tape, make sure it's in good shape and not loose. If you do come across a problem, use some foil tape and fix it up. If you determine that water is coming from outside your house, there are a couple of quick fixes for that as well. First, head outside and check your downspouts. Make sure that they're diverting water away from your foundation. You can also get downspout extenders. Also check the soil around your foundation, make sure that it hasn't settled. You always want it to be grading away from your foundation. You can also coat your walls with a masonry waterproofer that will help stop the water from coming in. Another cause of moisture inside your house could be coming from condensation on your water pipes, and there's an easy fix for that too. Just cover it with some inexpensive pipe insulation. Cut it to size, wrap it around, and some already come with adhesive on it, or just tape it up. For more home improvement tips and tricks, go to familyhandyman.com.